Okay, so in this video, I'm going through part of the process of how to find a k value that will produce a usable d value. So from section 1, I've chosen my n, my 5n, and then my encryption value e. Remember that e is an odd number that does not share a factor with n, so you can check that by dividing n by 7 and you will not get a whole number. Um, so the idea with k and d, you want to choose a k value so that you get a d value that is a whole number. And that should make sense because we're working in modular arithmetic and we can't use fractions, we can't use decimals, so d has to be a whole value. Um, you can do this without Google Sheets by just plugging 5n here and then plugging in E here, and then just choosing K values 1, 2, 3, 4, plugging them in, see if you can get a whole value for D. I use it in Sheets. I think it's more efficient. That's what I suggest using. So remember these values. I'm going to plug them into this formula in Sheets. Here's a bunch of K values. Remember, I'm just testing a bunch. I need one that will give me a whole number for D. And here I will plug in the formula. So k times 5n plus 1. K, in this case, the first k value is a2 times 5n plus 1 divide by e, which is 7. So it turns out that k works. It gives me a whole number for d, but it will not work for everyone's values. I'm going to pull it down and show you that there are other k values that would give me a whole number for d. There's a bunch of them and all of them will work. So if I choose k equal to 9, then I get d is equal to this. So I get a whole number for my decryption value. I'm going to use that one. I could use this one. I could use k equal to 2, d equal to this. I could also use this one. It'll be different for most of you. Yeah, you just need to find the k value that gives you a whole number for d.